What's going on, everybody? This is Country Rider, and today I have a flat tire. So I'm gonna make one of the probably most popular automotive videos out there: how to change one. Tools you're gonna need: a jack, spare tire, and a 4-way. So first thing you're gonna want to do, while the car is still down on the ground, loosen the lugs. That should be about a half a turn to each one. Now, you're gonna want to put your jack somewhere. You could put it under the frame rail, but my frame is damn near rusted. So I'm gonna stick it under the control arm. Now, before you do this, make sure your e-brake or whatever type of brake, or if you have a standard cars in gear, all the good stuff, for an extra measurement, you could do a wheel chuck under the back wheel. Now that we're up with the tires off the ground, we're going to take the lug nuts all the way off. Keep a hold of your lugs, put them somewhere where you're going to know where they're at. I just put them off to the side. Some cars are different. Some cars have 4 lugs. Mine has 6. Trucks could have up to 8 or 12. Now, my hubcap is held on with my lugs. So, that's it. The tire is off. So, as I look at this tire is pretty bald, but the reason why it goes flat, so I don't know if you can see right there, but that's probably what made it go. So, let's put the other tire on. Putting the tire on is just the opposite of taking the tire off. You take your tire, line the lugs up, Put your lug nuts on by hand at first. Don't use a tool So that way you know you ain't cross-threading. So all lug nuts are on by hand. Now we're gonna throw them on and make them just like hand tight at first. Not gonna wrench them down yet. It doesn't matter the pattern right now. Just make them tight to where they're like it's cinched down. Now that they're all like cinched down, you want to tighten these up in a star pattern. Now, let your jack down. And then really tighten them on in a star pattern. Now, you're supposed to torque these down. I don't know the torque specs. I don't have a torque wrench. So, just do it to the point where it's really tight. Again, star pattern. And that's it. Have a good one, guys. 7 minutes. Peace.